Making the detoxification work. Detoxification is a process that a lot of people consider their wonder drug or wonder diet, for that matter. In any case, it is true that a detoxification diet has many benefits to the whole body, and it has been proven over and over again. If you would like to start a detox diet, then the first thing you must realize is that the whole diet is a process. Detoxification is certainly not about just digesting one simple miracle pill and expecting the rest to take care of itself. This is certainly not how it will happen, but there are certain other things that one must do in order to help the detoxification process along so that it works smoothly and correctly. If you are new to the detoxification diet, though, and are about to set out on a detox journey in the near future, here are a few ways in which you can keep the detoxification diet working properly for you. 1. Think positively. If drinking naturally pureed vegetable juices that have been combined in a blender and feasting on vegetable soup that is filled with garlic and cayenne pepper is not your cup of tea, no pun intended, then don't worry. But you must absolutely have a clean mind and sort of determination that will show through it all. For example, many people decide halfway or partway through the detoxification process that it simply is not for them. On the other hand, it has been shown through many accounts that everyone should take part in a detoxification at least some point in their lives. In addition, following a strict detoxification diet every month will help foreign substances to stay out and good substances to stay in. The first thing you must realize, though, as mentioned above, is that detoxification is a process and thinking positively will get you through it. 2. Sticking to the diet. Even though it may be difficult at first to drink at least 1 gallon of water per day during the detoxification diet, you must remember that it will help you in the end. Performing a detoxification diet will do no good if you decide to skip out on some of the vital parts of the diet in the first place. For example, water is about the most vital liquid you could be drinking during this detox period. If you decide to forego water in place of something else, then you run the risk of not obtaining the most results of the detox diet. Sticking with the detox plan and diet regimen is definitely the way to go. 3. Exercise physically and psychologically. Even though thinking positively while you stick to the detoxification diet may be needed, it is also necessary to exercise yourself through physical and psychological processes. For example, taking a walk around the block is one way to get your mind off all of the normal foods that you may be missing out on for a day. Physical exercises will help you stay in shape, and psychological exercises will help you with determination. These ideas are surefire ways to not only prepare yourself for a detoxification diet, but also a great way to learn some self-discipline. There are all sorts of ways to be happy during a detox cleansing, yet these are just a few of the most effective ways.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.